Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cricut tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can bookmark images inside of Cricut Design Space. So here we can see on the canvas, we have got images selected and it's showing us a sidebar with multiple images. If we go down to advanced search, then we can do a more in-depth search here. So here I'm going to choose 3 images and then we can just scroll through, and if there's any images that you see that catch your eye that you might think, oh yeah, I might like to use those in some of my other projects, then we can see here there's like a small bookmark. If we select that, we can now see that that has now bookmarked that image. And also, if you have collections set up in Cricut Design Space, then you can add it to a collection. So these are some of my collections, but you can also create a new collection here as well. Now that that's been bookmarked, there's also an option here to add, and if we select the add, we can see that says there it has been added to canvas, and you can select view, close that screen, and it will now show you the image that you have bookmarked on your screen, and it will now show you other images that are very similar, and the ones with the price are for Cricut Access. I don't pay for Cricut Access, that's why they have a price, but if you did, then they would be included. If we go back to advanced search and we select bookmarked, we can see now that our image appears in the bookmarked section. So that's a quick way of being able to find an image that you've already thought you might have an idea for it and you've bookmarked it. If we double click on that, we now get a bit more information. So here we can see it's a coffee cup holder. Here we can see that it's a free design, and again we have an option to add it to canvas, and it also shows you now image previews, so it gives you some ideas of what you can use the image for, and also again it shows you more images like this. And up here, this is the image number, and this shows that this image has been bookmarked 1005 times, so it's quite a popular little image. And that's how you can easily bookmark images inside of Cricut Design Space to make it easier in the future when you are trying to find them. Thanks very much for watching, see you again soon.